The 3-step program to completely change how you talk to yourself. This is Vivian Hart. If you're like most people, you put yourself down with your thoughts. Your inner critic is very loud, telling you that you don't like yourself, you can't reach your goals, you don't like your body or appearance, and that you're not very competent. This is very destructive to you. Wouldn't it be better to talk to yourself in a positive manner, praising yourself and having confidence that you can meet any goals you set for yourself? This course teaches you how to make this essential change in your self-talk. Here are the things you will learn in this course. The importance of changing your self-talk. Understanding and changing your core beliefs. How to create a collage and write in a journal. And last, how to use affirmations and visualization. You have total control over your self-talk. By transforming your self-talk into positive, uplifting, and life-affirming thoughts, you will lead a happier and more fulfilling life. This is my promise to you.